Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of programming with C and C++. We'll take you through each step, from the basics to advanced concepts. So, let's roll up our sleeves and embark on a journey of coding mastery. 1. Getting acquainted with C and C++. Start by understanding the fundamentals of C and C++ programming. We'll discuss the history, the importance of these languages, and the environments required to begin coding. 2. Mastering the basics of C. Dive into C programming with essential concepts like variables, data types, operators, and control structures. This solid foundation will prepare you to tackle more complex coding challenges. 3. Exploring advanced C concepts. Explore pointers, arrays, functions, and memory management in C. These concepts are crucial for writing efficient and robust programs. 4. Object-oriented programming with C++. Transition to C++ and grasp the principles of object-oriented programming. Learn about classes, objects, inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation. 5. C++ Standard Library. Discover the power of the C++ Standard Library. Explore the vast collection of pre-built functions and classes that save you time and effort in coding. 6. File handling and input-output in C and C++. Learn how to perform file operations and manage input-output in both C and C++. Master these skills to handle external data and interact with users effectively. 7. Memory management in C and C++. Understand memory allocation and deallocation in C and C++. Learn about stack and heap memory, dynamic memory allocation, and avoiding memory leaks. 8. Building projects in C and C++. Put your skills into practice by building projects in C and C++. We'll guide you through creating practical applications that showcase your newfound expertise. 9. Debugging and troubleshooting. Explore debugging techniques and best practices in C and C++. Learn how to identify and fix common errors that occur during programming. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've completed our step-by-step guide to mastering C and C++ programming. By following these points, you're well on your way to becoming a confident coder in these languages. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more programming tutorials and tips.